You don't need anything, you just do this process. Good morning, family. Mana morning piro yoga to piro ako on the way back home. One thing that I realized ga di jangere niti ma bono. Jama specifically, intentionally. Ko ma to process lo ame yashi de ko te ko mi ame yari shi de shift lo ame yari shi de heal lo ame yari shi de so lo shi yin. Chachin pi lo de srate. Giving myself permission to sit there. As you know, a solution, what could be breathwork loma, activation loma, so baby do, Namashi had a gong like sway nidabo. And I think at the time it helped to be me. At a year trap God, we are no longer okay sitting with the discomfort. Any discomfort, a look a similar hashi, and a name Manita do. Who you know, so you sing your line, a yet thou me, shopping low me, trap out the sharabo, spiritual, loady lolari, a tema. Coco swinging, Papinidale, what's coming up? Radio Majiro name. Twaboga Shani do me, Share Bongzam Biang. I decided to change that. I decided to focus on shadow work and Bami Lale Suro. To my Atoya Biang as Yamyalai. Gogo Nale Yamyalai. A Jintako Bobby Mialai, Shift of Dari as Yamyalai, and a Teko ma. Go block low tare yari, go lay tare yari, village my lari. And most importantly, shadow works ragua, tiny baby or tiny bony dini biro, healing the lonisia, malone. Shadow work is something you do on a daily basis. Shadow work is Aima, Lucia she alone etima, life ma asimabini de etanima, go see why you do a person shani de etanima, yoga lonely de etima, workout lonely de etima. It slots into your daily life. Shadow works raga, Giame Yawgua, Digego, ruthless pipine, brutal honesty nejira. Shadow works raga, Gogo, made megonia, validation yare megoni mahopene, a man die p twalame megoniu, miara. Shadow works raga. Clayting in it, Basan shine and go in it, Simabine, stuck pinine, trigger pinine, in every single moment, real time, at about pinale, Badam Pidale, below shift lonely. Healing it dua maduraga, it's very fast. The jangere nidimabono, intentionally, Dawujma, low maze below laritima. The shift in my life is so profound. And ara jangli jama ye IMW container emasukshin ladai ruthless honesty series so biro go life ye kandario different kandario jidabo. Dilama solution let tomorrow we're looking at relationships. We look at ourselves. Because any shadows yet tomorrow ne mabashira o going ye don't she get a relationship to kuma go ye confidence go choosy de Chini who Pikera she gang she may go yanzai de lua go Pimazaida de Quedora de Sapau Dora Eddie to a Tikumi Yonji Dora she gang she may or maybe dysfunctional home manjilare adwe go amien and go protect low myself protective mechanism in a Gilara. It can be anything, right? Down and down madu. That we may di lama Jamago right now ma go jide chema. Oh my god. Shilo shini mana mama tide. Any process it's so profound and it is healing, by the way. You don't need anything, you just do this process. So I feel so free. I'm basically like this life force energy in me. I'm reconnecting to that. I feel more alive and I want that for you too.